In this video, I will show you how you can listen to the YouTube video in the background while you are working on your Android mobile, or even if you are traveling and you want to listen to the YouTube videos with your screen off so that you can preserve your battery. That is also possible, but the problem is that the YouTube app doesn't support the listening to the YouTube videos with your screen off. So for that you need to open the YouTube in your browser. So I'm just going to open the Chrome browser, and once you open the Chrome browser, you need to change. You will see that the first of all, the YouTube would be opened in a mobile version, that the address would show that m.youtube.com instead of www.youtube.com. So you need to change the YouTube version to the desktop site, and once you'll do this selection from the menu, you'll see that the address would change from m.youtube.com to www.youtube.com. And now you can just open your desired video, and when it starts playing you need to exit out of the Chrome browser. I'm just waiting for the video started playing. You need to exit out of the video. You need to exit out of the Chrome browser, and for the time being or for temporarily you will see that the video is stopped. But once you'll go into your notification area, you will see that you get the control buttons of the YouTube. From here you can press the play button and your video will start to play in the background, even once your screen is off. It will continue to play. I'm just going to show you how it is going to work in the background, but I'm not going to switch off the screen, because as I'm doing the screen recording it is going to stop the screen recording. So just listen to the YouTube video in the background. Now in this way you can work on your Android mobile while listening to the YouTube in the background, and similarly you can switch off the screen and you will continue to listen the videos in the background. So that's how you can listen to the YouTube video on your Android mobile with your screen off. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.